Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, happy Friday. How you doing today? Everyone's always asking us if we always offer any inexpensive items that they can get in compared to other products. Well, here you go. What we have here is a set of 3 vintage Corona beer trays. Pretty girls in the pictures, pretty ladies. Well done. Really a nice shape. Something for everyone. So if you're into Bruenia, Corona in general, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.